Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meeting account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you record a webinar or a meeting with your GoTo Meeting? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to record your meeting in GoTo Meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe even doing content, you know that repurposing your meetings or webinars is an easy way to increase your content. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo Meeting account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoTo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to record a GoTo Meeting webinar, it'll actually be handled in the meeting itself. But before you do that, you want to make sure you check the settings in your GoTo Meeting. So click on your initials here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you're going to see this menu to the left. Click on Meetings. Once you click on Meetings, this menu is going to pop open, and you want to click on Content. Okay, if you're going to be recording a meeting or a webinar in GoTo, you can either have it saved to your computer or you can save it to the cloud. I usually leave it in the cloud because that way you can share it with a link in a future date. Also, you want to make sure you check the setting, who's going to be able to access the meeting after it's been recorded. So anyone with the link or only yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to only yourself. Okay, now we're ready to go ahead and record a meeting. So let me jump back over here to meetings. Okay, here I am back in the meetings. So like I told you, to record a meeting in GoTo Meeting, it's going to be happening in the webinar itself. So let me go ahead and open up an instant meeting. Okay, guys, so here we are in a GoTo Meeting webinar. So we can go ahead and interact with the different participants. However, to record this meeting, on the bottom left, you're going to click on this little record session button. Once you click on there, every participant's going to hear a warning saying this conference is going to be recorded. So you can continue your meeting as usual. And then once you end the session for all, okay, now we ended the session. What's going to happen is when you come back here to your dashboard, the meeting recording is going to be located right here. Upcoming rooms past, you're going to click on past. Once you click on past, you'll see all of your previous meetings, and you want to click on this button recorded, and then your meeting will be listed right here. Now, when you record a meeting with GoTo, it takes a little bit for it to render. So if you just recently ended the meeting, it's not going to show up here. Give it a few minutes and it should show up if you refresh. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to record a webinar or a meeting in GoTo Meeting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.